Nameless.
In Japan's rural Gunma Prefecture, an engineer made one of his childhood dreams come true by building a giant robot he could control. Known as LW Mononofu, or simply Mononofu, the robot stands 8.5 meters tall and weighs a whopping 7 tons. Engineer Masaki Nagumo built the bot based on the anime Mobile Suit Gundam, which was popular when he was a kid.
このデザインはですね、私が小さい頃、見ていたアニメを、に近づけたいと思って作ったロボットです。
Nagumo developed Mononofu over the course of 6 years, beginning in 2011. It began as a hobby for the engineer, who works for Sakakibara Kikai, a farm machinery company. Yet when the farming industry started to evolve in recent years, the company looked to diversify by creating amusement robots that could be rented out for events. Mononofu is controlled by a cockpit. With the push of a button, a hoist pops out of the robot's back and lifts its captain in. From there, he can move his arms, hands, pelvis, and knees. While there are wheels on the bottom of the robot's feet, it is propelled forward by leg movements, which actually makes it a rollerblading robot. Mononofu also features an air gun capable of shooting sponge balls in the air at a rate of about 140 kilometers per hour.
このモノノフは、明らかに、腕に銃を持ってますが、これを遊ぶため用の空気銃をつけてまして、乗って操縦していただいて、アニメのようさながら、空気銃を撃ってもらえたら面白いので、ぜひ乗ってもらえたらと思います。
The biggest challenge with such a big robot is powering it. Usually it is plugged into a wall, and when it relies on its battery pack for juice, it can't run for very long. Still, Mononofu, as well as the company's other robots, are available for children's parties.
このロボットは、イベントとかでもしくは、今回考えたのはレンタルということで考えて、レンタル品として、乗ってみたい方に乗っていただくのに、レンタルしていただいて使っていただくというふうに考えています。
There's only one catch. Mononofu was built too tall to exit the garage in which it was built, so it needs to be dismantled in order to be transported. Though given its size, you'd think it could just smash through the door, right? Would you rent Mononofu for your next party?
Nameless.